one of those people who hates the taste of water. Yes, I am one of them, but obviously water is important for glowing skin. So here is how I make my beauty water that forces me to drink at least 2 of these in a day. The first thing I do is put in my Ava Resilient Skin Booster. This has a ton of prebiotics as well as superfoods. It's got a berry taste. It has more of like that sour, tangy kind of taste that goes really well in water. So I'll put like 1 full sachet in here. And then to make the probiotics work, I'm putting in Mary Ruth liquid probiotic. This way I'm getting both my pre and probiotics for gut health. And then for extra vitamin C, I put in these elderberry drops, once again from Mary Ruth. It also adds a really nice like berry kind of flavor that goes well with the Resilient Skin Booster. And lastly, to get my extra minerals, I'm getting mineral drops from Sakara, like this. Just mix it up in my water. This is truly the best like glowing skin water. It makes you want to drink this so much all day long.